Hello everyone, this is Chris with RC Adventure Park. Today we will be doing a tutorial on how to replace a spur gear for the Arrma brushless 4x4 BLX. So we'll start by removing these pins. So normally you would go on the bottom and there's usually a screw here. Take that out. I've been replacing mine a lot, my spur gear a lot. So next you will remove the shaft. A lot of times we'll grab a screwdriver and just kind of, I got a lot of dirt and stuff in there. I run on a dirt track, so my car gets dirty a lot. So next you will remove these screws. See, there's 1, 2, 3. You can see that spur gear is missing a couple teeth right there. So we will take this off. So there's a screw in here. Alright, now that we have our spur gear back together, put it back in. You notice there's a little bit of a gap. You don't want it too tight. That actually is a little tight. Should we do this? Yeah. So it should be like this after you're done. Let's put the battery in, see how